Kumbala Rakhe hakaleng ki jaka jong kari bat ka jelahi barokoi ka Wkhd district ru klayo ban Rakhe ka siburom ye ki Nonghikai ha ka jong ilang ka balapun long ha ka hall jong ka Anderson High Secondary School Nongstony ha ka ba Deputy Commissioner ka Wkhd district ulalong ukongsan haringkat ka jeng dan langru District School Education Officer ka Wkhd ikong R Khongwang SDSEO Nongstony ikong Els Emle DPO ka Nongstony ikong M1 yang bat kiwe Hakatiga Sngi la yo ban pun ko buromru iki Nonghikai school ka district ki wala ban ai ga jing shakri ka babha na kabynta ki khana school bat ki negi nong yo award ki kenthobi ikong Rosemary thong ni ba assistant teacher ka St John Bosco Secondary School Ramrai ba crossword riangtam headmaster ka Rongren Upper Primary School Umdang bat uba Sising R Marwen headmaster ka Maurok Persosat Government LP School shushu la aru ka kusnam best scout master sha uba bias taroy ke paryong assistant teacher ka Paryong Presbyterian High Secondary School. But best guide Captain Pat layo di ikong dari Shamar Banyang assistant teacher ka Pendeng Umyong Press Secondary School. Nakabenta ka best scout and guide. La samro ki khusnam ba Kyrpang si i Markordor Walang na po Mairang Vidya Joyti Inclusive Secondary School Mairang. Hagating Sngi la pun benaru ka Kerteng jong ka Nongyo ya ka National Award. Kata ikong Bakordor Walang Banet Lingkhoy Principal Paryong Presbyterian High Secondary School Bat kumju ikong Florentina Nong Siang, assistant teacher ka Nongstony Public School, ibalayo ka State Award. Nakaliang Deputy Commissioner ka Wkhd District, haba ajing kran nakatiga Sngi, ulong bangi Rakhe ka niga Sngi, menta kum kadak ka jingpynbna burom, ya ka Sngi ka Vice President Baar jong kari India, u Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Ubala penlut kampun kapor, haka jing jong u nakamenta ki kena school, bat ka kampule puthi. Ulong bagi Nonghikai ki dei kita ki batei ki jingmur jing perkhat jong ki khna na ka banta bakin yo ka jing job ha ka jing jong ki bat bakin long ki khna ki babha ha ka lang salang la pensit pen sngan ru ka te Sngi da ka jing shat jing ruai bat ka jing ak drama ni khna school ba pher jong than.
Today being a memorable day, that is the birth anniversary of our late the second president of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who has spent most of his life in the welfare of the students and education in our country. The students of other cities, even outside the state, because modern world is full of competition. We have to compete. We cannot survive on our own. We cannot survive here only in our own district, only in Wkhd. We have to go out and take a challenge and make a competition with other students of other parts of the state.
And one of the greatest teachers. He was born on 5th September 1888. That means today we are commemorating his 131st birthday. But since 1962, the year when he became the second president of India, his birthday is being celebrated every year as the Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, without your tireless service, our district would surely be still in darkness. We know that your service has not been given due attention to by the powers that be, yet you carry on your work selflessly. As students, we cannot help but admire the sheer grit and determination that you possess in fulfilling your duties. In spite of the disobedience and the pranks that we played on you, you always had a forgiving and a loving heart. That is what we prefer.
A good teacher, but for being a caring second mother. I want to thank you, not just for being my teacher, but for being a guide and a mentor. I want to thank you, not just for helping me out, but for motivating me and melting away my doubts. Happy Teachers' Day and thank you.